The proven design of the liquid-cooled, SOHC 8-valve parallel twin-cylinder engine ensures punchy performance in the low to mid-range. Mechanically unchanged for 25 Ym, its relatively long-stroke architecture and specially shaped combustion chambers combine with the high inertial mass crankshaft to produce large amounts of effortless torque from very low RPM. A forward cant brings the center of gravity down for optimum stability. Peak power is 43.1 kilowatts at 6,750 RPM with maximum torque of 69 Nm at 4,750 RPM, capped by a 7,000 RPM redline. The Forza 750 will cover 0-50 m in 3.9 s and at 60 km/h the engine is turning over at just 2,500 RPM. Twin balancers counteract vibration from higher RPM inertia without affecting the distinct throb delivered by the engine's irregular firing order and 270 degrees phased crankshaft. Bore and stroke are set at 77 mm and 80 mm respectively. Where possible, components are made to do more than one job. The camshaft drives the water pump, while one of the balancer shafts drives the oil pump. By keeping the number of parts to a minimum in this way, the engine is kept light, efficient and reliable. For A2 license holders a 35 kW version is available, which can be easily converted to the full power version by a Honda dealer at the appropriate time. Equally, it is possible to restrict the full power version to 35 kW by a Honda dealer. The Forza 750 engine is exceptionally frugal, with a measured consumption of 28.3 km per litre providing a potential 375 km cruising range from the 13.2-litre fuel tank. With TBW managing the engine electronics, there are 3 modes for the rider to choose from, covering a wide range of riding conditions. Mode selection is managed between the left-hand switchgear and TFT display. Standard delivers a balanced middle point between engine power delivery, P, engine braking, EB, and HSTC. Sport gives more aggressive P delivery and EB, with low HSTC intervention. Rain transmits low engine power delivery and braking, with high HSTC. User offers custom options of low, medium, high between P, EB, low, medium, high off for HSTC. Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) offers unobtrusive operation and refined control as it manages rear-wheel torque thanks to TBW, over 3 levels. Level 1 allows the minimum intervention for the lightest control over rear-wheel spin. Level 2 is the default setting and provides confidence-inspiring traction for general riding conditions. Level 3 provides maximum control for slippery roads and is smoother in operation. The Comfort Park is a versatile collection of parts designed to enhance rider comfort and convenience. Deflector set, comfort seat, heated grips, console bag. The style pack builds in additional protection and looks. Parking lever cover, lateral cover, floor panel, fog lights. The color-matched travel pack increases carrying capacity. Panniers, right 26L, left 33L, color-matched pannier panels. Pannier inner bags, also color-matched. The Urban Pack ups daily commuting. Ability, aluminium rear carrier, 50L smart top box cushion, 2 versions available, with gray or red stitching to match the comfort seat, color-matched smart top box panel, 25L top box inner bag, under-seat luggage divider, also available, aluminium panels for panniers and top box, 50L manual top box, 38L manual top box, alarm system, passenger backrest. the Forza 350's ESP engine achieves both high environmental performance and strong output characteristic through comprehensive adoption of technologies for friction reduction. Liquid-cooled, the 330 cubic centimeters, fuel-injected SOHC 4-valve unit produces peak power of 21.5 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM, with maximum torque of 31.5 Newton-meters at 5,250 RPM. Top speed is 137 km per hour and, from a standing start, the Forza 350 will cover 200 m in 10.4 s. Bore is set at 77 mm with stroke of 70.7 mm, compression ratio is set at 10.5 to 1. Roller-type rocker arm, plain journal crank bearings and sealed crankcases deliver long-term reliability together with strong performance. To enhance piston cooling, an oil jet, as used on the CRF for 50R, sprays oil right to the back of the piston, advancing ignition timing and improving combustion performance. Oil capacity is 1.8 liters. Air is supplied via a 5.5-liter airbox, which feeds a 36 mm throttle body. The intake port draws air efficiently, utilizing a tumbles flow within the cylinder for more consistent fuel combustion. Exhaust gases are expelled via a straight exhaust port and, to reduce exhaust gas resistance, the muffler consists of two distinct chambers. Internal friction is reduced through a 5 mm offset cylinder, a hydraulic cam chain adjuster and the use of a scavenger pump. Used on high-performance machines, the pump lowers the internal pressure within the engine, reduces oil agitation and decreases pumping losses and internal rotational friction. A balancer shaft further reduces vibration and contributes to a smooth, enjoyable ride. An automatic centrifugal clutch works a V-matic transmission, with ratios set for fast low-speed reaction and smart acceleration, and belt final drive. The Enhanced Smart Power (ESP) 4-valve, water-cooled SOHC power plant delivers 10.7 kilowatts at 8,750 RPM, with peak torque of 12.3 Newton-meters at 6,500 RPM. Bore and stroke is set at 53.5 by 55.5 mm with compression ratio of 11.5 to 1. From a standing start, the Forza 125 accelerates rapidly, 0-200 m covered in just 13.3 s, while sharp mid-range makes for responsive roll-on performance in the typical 40 to 60 km per hour around town speed range. It will cruise happily around 90 km per hour and Vmax is 108 km per hour. Honda's ESP low-friction technologies are found throughout the engine. A compact combustion chamber and PGM-FI fuel injection, fed by 4.7-liter airbox and 26 mm diameter inlet duct, optimize combustion velocity and cooling performance. Clever packaging of items like the oil pump, which is built into the crankcase, help to further heighten the efficiency. An offset cylinder reduces friction caused by contact between piston and bore, efficiently transmitting combustion energy to the crankshaft. A spiny cast iron sleeve, with tiny surface extensions, keeps in check any distortion of the inner bore diameter. This design lowers tension in the piston ring, reducing friction. A high-efficiency radiator, integrated into the exterior of the right-side crankcase, employs a small, light fan that reduces frictional losses and lowers drag. Rolling resistance within the transmission unit is reduced by the use of 3 low-friction main bearings, all designed to deal with the loads they individually receive. The drive pulley features a fin design that lowers air resistance, and the follower pulley reduces pressure on the drive belt, cutting transmission losses. The electronically controlled, brushless ACG starter is an integrated component mounted directly on the end of the crankshaft, serving as starter motor and alternator. It spins the engine directly, eliminating any noise from gear engagement or meshing.